Hello, welcome back to Halswell House on this gloriously sunny day. This episode is one of the episodes I've been looking forward to more than any other. This is the one where we take you behind the scenes of the Tudor Manor House, the oldest part of the estate. But before that, let's have a look what's happened here on the estate this month. Work has begun on the old farmhouse with new flooring going down for what will possibly be a tea room. Work has also begun on the restoration of the rock wall screen, a fascinating feature that we'll cover in later episodes. And the dovecot has been stripped, ready for its major restoration. I can't wait to see what they do with the old farmhouse. This time next year, if the tea room's in there, it's going to be amazing. And boy, could we have done with that swimming pool this month. We have had some roasting hot days. Behind me is the oldest part of Halswell House. This is the Tudor Manor House, built in 1536 by Nicholas Halswell. There's three main areas to it. So the first one directly behind me is the main hall. Above it would have been the apartments, the living quarters for the Lord of the Manor. Next to it, the kitchen. And the third range would have been the cold store downstairs with accommodation upstairs. There is a fourth range at the very end, which is a later addition. One very interesting point about the Tudor house are these windows. So you'll see here that throughout the whole of the house we have these stone mullion windows, except for this window here, or these two windows here, which are made out of oak. This is the cold store, and there are various nail holes that you'll see all the way around it, where they used to hang a curtain over to keep everything inside cool. Let's take a little look inside the building, shall we? So we're probably still a couple of years away from the restoration of the great hall that we stand in now. Up in the corner, this is an oriel window. The Lord of the Manor would sit and wait for all of his guests to come in and be seated before he would climb down the stairs and make his grand entrance.